Hey, welcome back to my channel. Beerly, that's me. Today I'm going to be showing you how I plan on doing my hair for my Snow White costume for Halloween this year. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you will, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit that bell, select all so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use two things to do my Snow White hairstyle: a bandana and a hair tie. I've already washed my hair, put in my leave-in conditioner yesterday. It's all the way dry. This is natural curl, wave, whatever you want to call it, and volume. I've straightened my bangs. That's pretty much a regular thing that I do no matter what. So I've got a center part going, but it's not too bold. I'm going to part my bangs in such a way, if you have no bangs right here, what I would recommend for you to do is get this portion of your hair, like if your hair is just one length or very long with this section, I would just put it right here and put a bobby pin in it. With my hair being this short, I don't have enough length to tie them back right here, especially since they are kind of tapered right there. And the next thing I'm going to do is pull my hair back in a ponytail. I'm going to go ahead and hairspray my hair. Snow White's hair is pretty close to her head, on the top of her head and on the crown. And this will help have that stay in place. Hairspray I'm using is Salon Graphics Professional Shaping Hairspray. Super Hold Unscented. Brushable. Number 3 for control. Hairspray time! Woo! And we're doing costume stuff, so you're gonna want a pretty heavy hold on that. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do after this dries, which that dries pretty quick, I'm going to pull my ponytail down, and that's about as far as, see, I already have layers coming out. That's okay, I'll pin that up later. It's about as far down as I can go because of my layers, but if you can go farther, go farther. This is where the bandana comes in. This is going to be my Snow White bow of sorts. Just going to get it folded. Okay, so got me a little band or a tube, however you want to call it. And I'm going to split this ponytail in half. I'm going to put the bandana through that split and pull it through. So as you can see, it's holding, the ponytail is holding the bandana. It's in between the hair. And the next step is I am going to be curling this hair and the bandana, not really curling, but rolling it up, like so. And as I do, just trying to tuck in all that length of hair. As I do that, I kind of am trying to do somewhat of a French twist, sort of. Trying to get it up the length of my head. Once I get it as far up as it'll go without, starting to pull out all the hair, then I will be tying it. Like so. Go ahead and knot it and help me have a little perkier bow, since the ends will be a little bit shorter. Maybe not. There we go. Alright. This is a mess, so what are we going to do with that? Well, my ponytail has pretty much come out, so I'm just going to bring this back up and gather any lengths right here. Note that the bandana is still amongst my hair. I'm going to do it tighter. Ponytail. Okay. I'm going to loosen it up in the center and try to tuck this all the way in. And of course, this is where bobby pins and hair clips are going to come. pinning the hair itself down, just trying to do a tucking motion, and placing a bobby pin. You'll continue the lengths of your hair along the roll or twist as you'd like, tucking in whichever portions you feel needed to tuck in. For the time being, I'm going to leave it like that and show you the front. We gotta fix this up here, girlfriend. More bobby pins are needed. I think I have a whole pack. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, give it a thumbs up. Please share this video and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. BRLee, that's me, and I'll BRB on my next video.